Hey everybody, this is Steve from OpenBOM, and I'd like to demonstrate the export of our change request. It's going to be really helpful. Here I'm sitting at a bill of material that I made a couple of changes to. I'm in a company account, and I have change management turned on. So I've added some glue, made a few changes here to some other items. I'm going to create a change request. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm just going to say that this is my COPV, and I'm going to say create change request, and here it is. Now let's review that. And I can see the changes that are pending and what part, the change date and part numbers, other things that have been changed or modified. And this is great, and I can accept or reject this change here as we could in the past releases. What's new is this export, and I'm going to export this change request to Excel. So I'm going to find this really interesting if I need to send this out to any of my the other systems inside my company. So export change request, open in Excel. Hope you find that helpful. Thanks.